Every day I'm hustling, trying to make a dollar.
Hey, Elaina. How you doing? Bubba, that's your cousin Elaina. Yeah, that's your cousin.
Hi, cousin.
Hey, cousin. That's Darius, Elaina. His name is Darius.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
I want you to sit down. I want to talk to you.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Pete.
She don't want to sit down, Bubba.
Huh?
She don't want to sit down.
Look at my cup. My house. My house. My house. Want to go to the basement? I have a basement.
Yeah, you do?
Yeah, it's right there.
I know. Well, I don't,
Basement.
your auntie, I don't know what she gonna say.
My daddy has a basement.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Tito.
But, what are you doing, Bubba?
Oh, there's my hat.
Uh-oh, she at the basement. They about to get some little chicken fingers. Look how they look. Oh, yeah. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back for a second.
Come back with me, y'all finna eat.
Yeah, let's eat first. Let's eat first. Okay? Then we'll go down there. What? No, sit down. Sit down. Come on, we finna do this mukbang. But can we do the mukbang?
Sit down.
I know, sit down. Look. Cause
Sit
Tua
down.
said sit down. We're gonna do the mukbang.
Not the bitch to that food.
We're gonna do chicken tenders and fries. Mukbang. Okay, Bubba? Bubba. It's coming. Hey, Elaina. With you and Elaina, y'all doing a mukbang together? With me? That's what we doing. Come on, sit down. Go ahead. I'm gonna do it like this. Come on, sit down. Sit down. Sit right there. Yeah.
It's hot.
It's
It's
hot.
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 Want some
Hot.
barbecue sauce?
Hot. Ooh, hot. Told you hot.
Want some baby Ray barbecue sauce?
He like, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. That's what I'm talking about. I'm get it for you. We'll pull it up.
It's hot here.
Put it down. I'm gonna cool it off for you. Okay, man, hold on. 2
What's
seconds.
good phone here?
2 seconds. You gonna be able to throw down. You know what I mean? I gotta cool off so you don't burn your mouth. Hold on, it's gonna come out in a second. I gotta cool it off for you, okay? We're gonna do this mukbang. What you think? Huh? Chill out. Chill out. Chill out.
Ready. Sit it down. And I'm waiting for Chloe
You're
to
not
come
good.
over. And I'm ready Maya to come over. Maya. Yes, Maya.
Man, eat that food, boy. Daddy Big Baby. That's Daddy Big Baby, yeah. You having fun? You good? Oh, shoot.
Where's my phone?
I dropped phone.
I got it.
And here, there.
I dropped.
Go eat.
But.
Love. What up?
Good.
I'm just gonna eat some chicken tenders and fries.
Hot. That's hot. Ooh, too hot. Too hot. Too hot. Too hot.
Yeah.
And that burnt your tongue off. Told you it was hot. You gotta learn though. Blow it. You gotta blow it. Say, whoo.
What time she got?
Blow it. Gotta do it like this. Look, bud. Look.
Okay, I know you gave some this morning.
Like that. Blow it. You eat. Thank you. You like it?
What man? What is that?
I need a barbecue.
Let me tighten you up. Let me tighten you up. That's
Oh,
more
yeah.
hot. That's
What kind of knob children?
Oh, that's hot. Let me put it in the freezer for you. It's hot. It's hot. It's fried. It's hot. It's hot. I told you it's hot. You don't care, huh? You a beast. I know.
Alright.
It's like, that it's hot. It's gonna burn your mouth. Yeah. It's too hot. It's too hot. Killing it. You know what I'm saying? Told you too hot. You ain't gonna listen.
Bring it over, darn.
I
Bring
did.
it over.
Let me put it in the freezer. 2 seconds. Right.
I'm about to put some more on. You're gonna eat those fries. I got some more fries on.
We got fries coming. Hold on. Look, let's talk a little bit. Hey. I'm gonna get it. Don't get mad. Stop
Wait,
getting mad.
man.
You spoiled. Look at you. Acting spoiled already. I told you I'm gonna eat
Hey.
it. I told you I'm gonna
Get
get
it.
it.
Hot.
But you wanna eat it, it's hot. You gotta wait for a second. Then you can smash like you want to, big boy. Give me a hug. Alright, man. It's my boy. Give me another hug. You like yours? Was it good? Chill out.
Brother. It's hot as fuck. It's hot. It's hot. And you want it again. Yeah.
They're hot. You gonna burn them up.
Eat your nuggets too, okay?
Huh.
That's hot. Come.
You good now? You gotta make that face. There. Why are you making that face? You big boy. Go ahead, eat. Eat. You good? It's like, you don't like it?
What is that? Yeah, that's her favorite. She eat nuggets. Blow it. You know how to blow your food. You a big girl. You ain't no baby. Blow your food and eat. And you ain't going nowhere. You ain't going to the dainty party. And I'm not playing.
You good, Darius?
I'm not playing.
Eat some more. How good, Dada? Eat some more. Yeah.
Eat.
Eat.
Y'all don't want to eat.
Mm-mm.
That's what it is.
Come on. Eat. Eat. Why not? You ain't gonna get no popsicle.
So, right?
You ain't gonna get no popsicle, you gonna eat. Look at the chips. You ain't getting no chips. Go back, eat that.
Eat.
You gotta eat. You gotta eat all your food so you get big and strong.
A
Here.
whole bag full. Look at all these gummy bears.
Look at that. You ain't getting none of that.
Eat.
Eat. No, you gotta eat.
Nope.
You gotta eat. Look,
Eat.
look, eat this. Just eat
Lena
2
ain't
fries.
got nothing to eat, and she don't eat.
Look, eat 2 fries and that. No, yeah. Come on. Why not? Gotta give you some more fries.
Here. Give it another 4.
I'm going to throw it away.
I'm throwing it away.
Relax. Huh? No, get back up there. I want you to eat. Where you gonna go? Eat 1 fry for me and I'll let you get up. Look, if you eat 1 of those, I'll let you get up. Come on, man. Please.
No.
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 Please. Please.
Come on, baby. Home.
Well, y'all see, I can't get him to eat.
Stuff together. I'm gonna go home. Have food on the crib. I gotta go to this place. Eat.
Too hard.
Okay.
Too hard.
We'll take it with us, 'cause I'm about to die. Hello? $8, man.
Every day I'm hustling, trying to make a